Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to do a walk around of our 83 Blazer. There you can see it's got I'd say new tires on it. Rancho shocks and a typical rusty spot on them inner fenders. But they come from Wyoming, so pretty solid. Originally white, I believe. The last guy just primered it because the paint was coming off. Like I say, you can see it's white right there. But like I said, come from Wyoming, so pretty dry. Rockers don't look good. We redid the front seats, so they're brand new. Back seats original. You can see American flag for the headliner. And looks like overlay that's probably cracked, so either need a new dash or new overlay. Missing the radio. 4-wheel drive, 4-speed. This is missing both sides actually are missing the little pockets, which wear out with time anyway. Carpets, you can see a little snow, so a little dirty, but carpet all looks pretty good. No carpet in the back from what I can see. Yeah, no. Does have the side final pieces there for the rear back there, so pretty complete truck. Like I said, really no bubbles or anything here, some old paint flaked off the way it looks. So pretty solid Blazer. Runs good. If you see my video of it driving and running, you can see most everything works. I think the horn and then the AC compressor is bad. So like I see, nice solid Blazer. Looks like probably a little rust bubbling there. So like I said, got a good running, strong running 383 in it. A little bit of cam on it, Edelbrock carburetor. So kind of a nice setup. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.